Hello guys, Raptor here. I hope you guys are well. Welcome back in another YouTube video. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please go and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will get an early update of my upcoming videos. In this video, I am going to share with you guys a quick update about my new Onocoy DIY setup. So I will share with you how I make this little device and is it worth building the DIY Onocoy setup or purchasing the Onolink plug and play device. So let's get started. Okay guys, so first of all you can see my DePIN desk. Multiple DePIN devices are running. Here is my SkyX. This is my star plug miner. This is my Onolink Onocoy DePIN miner, and this is the GeoNet miner, and this is my little Bitcoin solo miner. Here you can see three ESP32s are running on multiple DePIN projects, and this is my little fan for cooling these devices. So in this video I will share with you guys a quick update about my Onocoy DIY setup. I built this device by myself. You can see I'm using the ESP32 T-Display and UM980 board, you can see, and this UM980 cable for connecting this with the antenna, and little fan for cooling this little station, and here you can see the PCB board. Oh, by the way, I forgot this little 3D printed case. So huge shout out to Trika Games for helping me to build these stations. He's also running this little Onocoy stations. He also suggests me to build another DIY setup for my another Onocoy location. So I'm gonna install this on my another location and start earning the Bono tokens. If you don't know what is the Onocoy, check out, I make a complete video on the Onocoy project. Link is available on the top right corner of the screen. And if you are interested to build this little DIY setup, you can check out the video. Link is available in the video description, but I will not suggest you to build this DIY setup because this is very difficult, lot of hurdles. So I will only recommend you to purchase this Onolink Onocoy DePIN miner. This is the plug and play device. You need to connect this with your Wi-Fi and register it on the Onocoy console, and you can start mining the Bono tokens. So this is very easy setup, and you need this antenna and the cable to install it on your rooftop. You can see this miner is running perfectly, and I also ordered this antenna and the cable from the Onolink. So if you guys are interested to purchase this Onolink setup, you can check out onolink.io. Link is available in the video description, and you can use my coupon code Raptor for 10% discount on your purchase. So I will only recommend the plug and play station. This is very difficult. So let's power it on, and I am going to connect all these cables with the antenna and show you guys how it's look when it's running.
2000 years later.
Okay guys, so here you can see my Onocoy DIY station is now up and running, and you can see Wi-Fi tick, and I guess this is GPS and the RTK connection. Wow, that's awesome. You can see the packets and the speed. There you go. So as you can see, it is now connected with the cable. Here is the SMA connector, and with this antenna you can see with the TNC N-type connector. So next step, I am going to install this antenna on the another location rooftop and put this little DIY setup inside and ready to go. And you can see it's now mining the Bono tokens on the Onocoy network. Okay guys, remember the Ono token is not officially launched yet. It is expected in Q3 2025. I'm really excited for this project. I also have the GeoNet, but personally I love this project. Okay guys, so there is another update about the GeoNet. The halving is done, and now you will get 12 GOD tokens per day reward for your GeoNet miner. The last one is 24 GOD per day with the NFT location, and currently you will get 12 GOD tokens per day. Okay guys, so that's pretty much for it. Let me know what are your thoughts about the Onocoy DIY setup. If you guys are interested to build your own DIY station, link is available in the description. You can watch the video and follow the instruction of this guy and start building your DIY setup. But my recommendation is the plug and play device. You can buy this Onolink miner and start earning the Bono tokens from the day one. At this time, I don't know if this station will create problem in the future, but currently it is working fine. So that's it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and share, and if you guys have any question related Onocoy DePIN project, please comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys later in the next video. Keep mining, stay safe. Goodbye.